Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. You came back to the Rideshare Hub for more. I'm Jacob Letman. You're on the Rideshare Hub channel, and we're about to kick this thing off with a great video. But before we begin, if you haven't started driving yet for Rideshare, make sure that you drop down into the description of this video below. Click on the links that you find to get signed up for Uber and Lyft, earn a sign-on bonus, and start driving today. On that note, today's video are for my part-time rideshare drivers and how to effectively and efficiently drive part-time for rideshare. Make it work for you so you can make that extra income. Okay, well, the first thing that you should do is you should sign up and drive for both Uber and Lyft. That way, you're making the most of your time. So if you're only driving for one right now, go down into the description below, click that other link, and get signed up for both. And why is that? So that way, when you're signed on, you can sign on to both apps, and whoever you get a rider request from first, go with that. That way you're not sitting around waiting. Now, number 2, here's what I want you to do. I want you to come up with how many hours a week you can drive over how much money you want to make each week of extra income. So instead of saying I want to make an extra $100 each week, find an extra 8 hours that you can drive. It typically averages out to about $15 an hour, but I want you to do the time over money because the ebb and flow of driving for rideshare, sometimes you won't make as much and sometimes you'll make way more than that. So it'll balance out. But if you can set your schedule up to create time where you're going to allot to driving for rideshare on top of what you already have, and you get used to doing that, well then you'll most likely end up making more money than your goal. And then you've already created it. It's part of your schedule, your routine. You're doing it, you're making that money and earning that extra income. Number 3, look up events in your area. So a lot of time, full-time drivers don't want to do events because there can be a lot of waiting around because it's very busy, right? There's a ton of people at events, but they're also surging, so you get higher rates. And if you're only doing it part-time, find some events that you can work. Go and get those surging rides because you'll make bank doing that. I promise. Number 4. This is the best. You get to choose the time of day and the type of clientele that you want to drive because you're only doing it part-time. So you don't have to drive at both times. If you don't like driving at night with the party crowd, well then drive in the morning with the business professionals on their way to work or the airport. Figure out what works best for you. What do you like best? Or maybe you're a night owl and you don't mind that crowd. Then set it up so that you're going out at 10 o'clock at night and driving until 2 in the morning. Do that. And then number 5 is just hang out and wait for that ride request to come to you. Don't go out looking for a ride. Hang out at home, relax. You're doing this part-time. Sign on to both apps. Hang out at home. or wherever you're at the gym or at the office. Just hang out and wait for that ride request to come to you. So there you go. Those are 5 ways that you can efficiently drive as a part-time rideshare driver. Again, I'm Jacob Letman. You can follow me on Instagram at jacob.letman. Follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with friends and family. Subscribe to our channel. And if I left anything out, my part-time drivers out there, drop down in the comment section below and let me know. Let us all know. This is a community effort. All right, you guys. Until next time, take it easy.